welcome back to my channel. This is Janet, and yeah, welcome back. It's been a while. I know. But hopefully, new videos will be coming out every week or two. Depends on my schedule and how things turn out. But if you guys are back here, then I'm assuming you guys are back for more tea time, where I show you guys how to become your own VTuber with this step-to-step tutorial. If you guys aren't sure where we last left off, you guys can check out the playlist in the upper right hand corner, where I show you guys how to become your VTuber from the very first step. That's right. If not, then you guys are all caught up and we are continuing and hopefully finishing 𝐒𝐮𝐸𝐵𝐭. Hopefully this is the last part. In the next video we will start on 𝐒𝐮𝐸𝐽. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you guys can hit me up on Discord or give me a follow on Twitch or YouTube. Leave your comments down below if you have any questions or concerns. That being said, let's get started. As y'all can see, this is a new model that I'm going to be rigging throughout this series so you guys can follow along and not be confused. I think using my own model within the first two videos might be a little confusing. Hopefully using a different model will help you guys see things in a better light. If not, like I said, shoot me a message. I am not gonna bite. Anywho, we're gonna continue. I'ma just get it over with and show you all the warp deformers that we need to create. So yeah, I am going to move my model here so y'all can see. There you go. We're gonna click on our ears, create a warp deformer. We're gonna put it in the core folder. Oh my gosh, I am messing up. We are gonna call it ears, head, XY. Gonna hit all our expressions. We're gonna create a warp deformer, put it in the core folder, expressions, head, XY. Gonna do it for our side here in our side bangs. Gonna create a warp deformer in the core folder, call it side hair, head, XY. And then the rest will be our bangs. We're gonna put that also in the core folder. We call it bangs, head, XY. Our back hair, we are gonna create a warp deformer and call it back hair, head, XY. Once you guys have created all your warp deformers, you are gonna click on all of them. Click on 𝐒𝐮𝐸𝐽. I'm sorry if y'all can't see, but I am clicked on 𝐒𝐮𝐸𝐽. You guys are going to add 3 keyformers. We are gonna take things layer by layer so we don't get confused. So we're gonna start with ears, create the divisions, increase the division numbers, y'all. Anyhow, since we increase the divisions, we're just gonna move our ears to the left, exit that, bring you there, tight you in, bring you in, bring you in, bring you in, you as well. And there we have it. Gonna click on our parameter and head XY, reflect motion, reflect horizontally. Next, we are going to do the expressions real quick. Same concept. You want to bring it to the same direction your face is turning. And you just want to adjust. Reflect motion, reflect horizontally, and just test it to make sure it's to your liking. Like so. Okay, we did our expressions. Next will be our bangs and our side hair. I like to do it both at the same time so it can save us time. So we're gonna click on both, bring it to the left keyformer, rotate it, or move it to the left, and then adjust. It's kind of in the way. Let's try to get rid of it for y'all. But you guys basically want to just adjust everything to just kind of go together. Like that. Click on both your side hair and your bangs. Make sure you click on still angle X. The 3 bars, reflect motion horizontally, and then just test it and adjust to your liking after that. Now, do you have to hit reflect motion all the time? No, you can do it yourself. I am just trying to show you the basic and the fastest and convenient way. But if you guys really want a good model, then I do recommend y'all to take your time and kind of go in there yourself and adjust each one. There we have it. It's coming out quite well. The only thing we got left to do is the back hair, which again is the same process that we have been doing. Oh, red box. I didn't mean to get rid of the whole thing. Reflect motion horizontally and just fix it from there. And voila, our 𝐒𝐮𝐸 is done. Good job, everyone. If you guys are following along this long, you guys are doing great. After that, remember guys, to save your work. It's so important to do so. But we are done with 𝐒𝐮𝐸. We basically are done. In the next video, we are finally gonna get started with 𝐒𝐮𝐸. And trust me guys, 𝐒𝐮𝐸 is not gonna take us as long as 𝐒𝐮𝐸 is. You guys want to test your work, and you guys want to test it in the physics settings. Once you open your physics settings, you can move your mouse left to right, and your face should follow along to that direction you're moving your mouse to. As y'all can see, it is moving left to right, or you can just hit the play button and it will do it for you. But yeah, hopefully this video was simple for you guys to follow along. If not, like I said, you guys can shoot me a message or send me a message on Discord or follow me on Twitch, where y'all can feel free to ask me questions or just leave your questions down below in the comments. If you guys like this video so far, please hit that thumbs up button. I will greatly appreciate it. It will also share this video and it will show up more in the feed for other people to follow along too. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, and check out more videos coming soon. I hope you guys like it, and come back for part 4 or 5, whatever, to this series. It's gonna be a long one, but hopefully it's fun to follow along to. That being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Have a good day.